Whirlpool Jetson Nutritech microwave oven is a boon at tea time, especially so when making this recipe for spice apple cake.
For this, let's core and slice 2 apples, brush a cake pan or plate with butter and sprinkle over with some grain sugar. Arrange the apple slices in the pan and sprinkle over with the juice of a lemon. You need to preheat the oven by simply pressing the oven button. Turn the adjustable knob to the manual mode icon. Press the knob. Turn the knob to set the temperature to 170 degrees centigrade. Press the knob button. Turn the knob again to set the time to 15 minutes. Press the knob button to start this function. Meanwhile, combine 75 grams of soft butter with 115 grams of sugar and whisk it well. Add in 2 egg yolks and whisk it again. Sift in 115 grams of all-purpose flour with half a teaspoon of baking powder. Sifting this makes the cake light and fluffy. Add a pinch each of nutmeg and cinnamon powder and fold it into the butter egg mixture. Add 2 egg whites to a clean dry bowl and whisk them stiff. Add the stiffly beaten egg whites to the batter and fold it in quickly. Mix in 100 ml of apple juice and pour the batter over the sliced apples. To bake the cake, simply press the oven button. Turn the adjustable knob to get the manual mode icon. Press the knob button. Turn the knob to set the temperature to 170 degrees centigrade. Press the knob button. Turn the knob again to set the time to 35 minutes. Press the knob button to start this function. Allow the cake to cool before removing from the pan. Cut it into slices and serve it for tea.
Whirlpool, designed to delight.